Hey everyone, Dan the Spa Man back with another video. Today we're diving deep into the Hydropool Signature 655 Platinum Hot Tub. This is a premium 5 to 6 person spa that combines powerful hydrotherapy, self-cleaning technology, and an energy efficient design. Whether you're shopping for your first hot tub or looking to upgrade, this one is definitely worth a closer look. Hydropool hot tubs and swim spas are designed and manufactured just outside of Toronto, Canada. Their factory there has been producing hot tubs and swim spas since the 1980s, and it's still their main plant for the brand's self-cleaning hot tubs. Hydropool is famous for their self-cleaning hot tubs in their signature lineup, but they're also a leading brand in the swim spa segment, with their Aqua Sport and Aqua Trainer models ranging in size from 13 feet to 20 feet. Now, let's dive into the Signature 655. The Signature 655 Platinum is part of Hydropool's flagship Signature collection. At 84 inches by 84 inches and 39 inches high, it has a generous footprint without feeling oversized. It comfortably seats 5 to 6 adults and offers a mix of open bench seating and a full-length S-shaped lounger, so you can stretch out or sit upright depending on your mood. In the S Lounger, you'll find a full body massage configuration, while the corner seats target the back, neck, and shoulders. Each seat is designed as part of Hydropool's Zone Therapy concept, a sequence of different jet arrangements that target specific muscle groups for a complete hydrotherapy session. In the Platinum version, you get a total of 50 adjustable stainless steel hydrotherapy jets powered by 2 high-performance pumps plus a circulation pump. These can be dialed up or down for intensity or redirected to focus on different parts of the body. The ability to customize the hydro massage in a quality hot tub cannot be understated, and the Hydropool models excel at this. You can even follow a pre-programmed wellness routine built into the control system for back pain relief, sports recovery, or deep relaxation. Another standout feature is Hydropool's patented self-cleaning technology. It continuously skims debris from the water surface, while a built-in floor vacuum draws particles from the bottom. In fact, the system is engineered to filter 100% of the water every 15 minutes. That means clearer water, fewer manual cleanings, and less time spent maintaining your spa. The Signature 655 Platinum holds about 320 gallons and it weighs almost 2 tons when filled. Despite its size, maintenance is straightforward. The filters and cabinet are easy to access, the control panel is intuitive, and there's even a built-in drain for quick water changes. Energy efficiency is built into the design. Hydropool's Hydrowise Thermal Shield Insulation reflects heat back into the water and captures excess pump heat to help warm the spa. Combined with a well-insulated hard cover, the 655 Platinum is engineered to keep running costs low, even in colder climates. Customization is another big plus. Standard features include multicolor LED lighting inside the tub and along the waterline. Optional packages like the Oasis package upgrade and add illuminated waterfalls for a resort-style feel, while the Hydroflex air therapy system introduces hundreds of warm air bubbles for a soothing, champagne-like massage. Wi-Fi is also available with the SmartTub app, which allows you to control and program the hot tub from anywhere. You can even monitor your energy usage and efficiency. You also get a wide range of color finishes. Shell options include colors like silver marble, alpine mist, black opal, and cosmic swirl, while cabinet choices range from a modern linen to rich warm walnut. That means you can match the spa to your deck, patio, or backyard aesthetic. There's even a tub builder on Hydropool's website that allows you to pick your interior and exterior color choices so you can truly see how your tub's going to look. Altogether, the Signature 655 Platinum is designed for families, couples, or small groups who want a premium, low-maintenance spa that can deliver serious hydrotherapy while being spacious enough for entertaining, yet compact enough to fit in most backyards or patios. So, if you're looking for a hot tub that blends powerful massage, energy efficiency, and minimal upkeep, the Hydropool Signature 655 Platinum deserves a spot on your short list. I'm Dan the Spa Man. Thanks so much for watching the video. Subscribe, like, we'll see you next time.